Located on the east coast of India, Odisha has a coastline of 480 kilometers along the Bay of Bengal. The modern state of Odisha was formed on 1st April 1936. The state has been known for its mineral and mining strength. Since the turn of the millennium, the focus of the state has shifted to manufacturing and services industrial growth. The state is endowed with adequate raw material, water resources, rail and road connectivity and ancillary infrastructure which will facilitate port-led industrialization in the state. Paradeep Port Trust, the largest dry bulk handling major port in India, is strategically located at the east coast of India in the state of Odisha. The port has been handling more than 100 MMTPA of cargo consecutively for the last 3 years, with 112.69 MMT cargo being handled in financial year 1920. The port has state-of-the-art cargo handling equipment and facilities to handle a diverse cargo profile. It serves a massive hinterland of central and eastern India. Paradeep Port is well connected with 4-lane National Highway 53 and 3-lane State Highway 12. Similarly, it has rail connectivity with the main line at Cuttack and independent line connection at Haridaspur, which in turn connects to the hinterland industrial and mining hubs. Paradeep Port is one of the largest Indian major ports in terms of rated capacity, which stands at 302 MMTPA. Presently, 62% of the berths are mechanized and the port is determined to reach over 90% mechanization level by 2025. The port has been in the forefront of operational efficiency with highest OSBD, that is output per ship berth day, among Indian major bulk ports. In order to meet the demands of the future, as 65 MMTPA of capacity addition and enhancement projects are under pipeline. Some of the major projects includes mechanization of EQ 123 berths, one coal import terminal, and development of Western Dock. Paradeep Port envisages developing Mahanadi Riverine Port located at Kendrapada district, 13 km from river mouth in 2 phases for handling of dry and break bulk, fertilizer and containerized cargo. Under port-led industrialization, Smart Industrial Port City project, Paradeep Port aims at becoming a self-contained city and reserved over 700 acres of land for port-dependent industries. Under this, ₹1 billion crore investment is finalized in the state of Odisha. Paradeep Port has started its PPP-operated Clean Cargo Container Terminal (PICT). Based on its strategic location, state-of-the-art infrastructure, modernization, cost-efficient and customer-friendly services, Paradeep Port will cater to the needs of all present and upcoming industries in the hinterland.